The MTA's 2025 to 2029 capital plan was approved by the board in late September. However, not many people know about the plan and exactly what it brings to our system. Over the coming days and weeks, I'll be creating a series of videos explaining different parts of the new capital plan. In this video, we'll start by talking about the investments the MTA is making in its rolling stock. As of late 2024, about 2,000 of the MTA subway cars are nearing the end of their useful life, which is about 40 years old. These cars in question are the R46 subway cars currently running on the A, C, N, Q, and W lines, the R62 subway cars running on the 1 and 3 lines, the R62A subway cars running on the 1 and 6 lines and the 42nd Street Shuttle, the R68 subway cars running on the B, D, N, Q, and W lines and the Franklin Avenue Shuttle, the R68A subway cars running on the B, N, Q, and W lines, and the R44 subway cars running on the Staten Island Railway. With the incoming R211 subway car orders, all R44 and R46 subway cars will be replaced, and a small portion of the R68 and 68A fleet will be placed into storage to minimize the number of miles put on those cars, along with using some of the worst cars in the fleet for parts replacement. That still leaves the rest of the R68s along with the A Division SMEs, the R62 and 62As, running around. These cars were built in the 1980s and are starting to show their age. The MTA plans to allocate funding towards replacing these cars with the new R262s for the A Division numbered lines and the R268s for the B Division lettered lines. All new cars will be fully compatible with CBTC signaling technology, and according to the MTA, door spacing will be standardized amongst all new railcars. Currently, there is no manufacturer confirmed to be building either of the new railcars, and we will have to wait to see who the MTA contracts for the new car order. In addition to the new car order for New York City Transit, the railroads, both Metro North and Long Island Railroad, will also receive new rolling stock. The MTA is already accepting delivery of 33 new Siemens SC42DM locomotives for Metro North Railroad, which are intended to replace the aging General Electric P32 locomotives that they currently operate. Metro North and Long Island Railroads both operate many other classes of older cars, such as the M3s. This capital plan allows for the purchase of over 200 new M9A rail cars to replace the M3s from the 1980s, along with more orders for locomotives, coaches, and work trains for both of the railroads. As with the subway's R262 and 268 orders, there is no manufacturer confirmed to build any of these new car orders. It is a massive understatement to say that the replacement of the aging rail cars on both the subway and the railroads is necessary for reliable service. Cars over the age of 30 see significant decline in their operational performance, which contributes to more delays and hiccups in service. Here's to hoping these future car orders go more smoothly than the ones in the past. Stay tuned over the coming days and weeks for more videos talking about the MTA's 2025 through 2029 capital plan.